The old Somnath temple, built by Ahilyabai Holkar, stands as an important chapter in the long history of Somnath revival. After repeated invasions and destruction of the original shrine, the sacred site remained in ruins for years before Ahilyabai Holkar, the pious queen of Indore, undertook its reconstruction in 1783. Deeply devoted to Lord Shiva, she rebuilt a modest yet dignified temple near the original Jyotirlinga site to restore regular worship. This structure, often referred to as Ahilyeshwar or Old Somnath Temple, ensured that pilgrimage and rituals could continue despite political instability. Her contribution was part of a broader effort in which she restored several major temples across India. The temple reflected Maratha architectural simplicity compared to the grand earlier structures. For decades, it served as the primary place of worship at Somnath before the grand modern reconstruction in the 20th century. Today, Ahilyabai Holkar's Somnath temple remains a symbol of devotion, resilience, and the preservation of sacred tradition.